secure and reliable technologies that will connect and protect communications and data for the county government, which will in turn, of course, enable the counties to deliver services to citizens efficiently and effectively in order to drive strong economic growth through which, of course, the quality of life for our people of our good country is enhanced and advanced through inclusion and adoption of digital capabilities. So Safaricom is co-creating a partnership with the counties and national government to drive transparency, increase the quality of services, effective communication intra-governments, in terms of the solutions that will allow for sustainable long-term future that persists generations. Public Wi-Fi to connect people, my county as a unified platform for citizen engagement and e-delivery of a wide array of critical services through the integrated network of partnership. And we feel very honored that all member counties of LREB were present. We've had extensive